What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I didn't think I'd be making a video like this so soon, but I guess it does come with the territory of owning a first year of a brand new model. I think we're gonna be making our first warranty claim, and we're sitting at just a little over 1,400 miles. So for reference purposes, this is a C8 Corvette Stingray exhaust system. It's got two sets of valves. You got your two up front, and then you got your two at the tips. The two up front are called AFM valves, active fuel management valves. The two on the sides are called MPP valves. They both do the exact same thing. They both open and close and allow exhaust to go in and out. But they serve two totally different functions. The front ones work whenever you're in four-cylinder mode to prevent any droning noise at highway speeds. Side ones work whenever you want to go from, say, touring to sport or track to get a little more volume out of your exhaust system. Now in 2023, the Z06 didn't come with active fuel management, so we only get one set of valves. We get the MPP valves at the tips. So this is the Z06 exhaust system. You can see the pipes coming from the high flow cats. You don't have the valves there anymore. You only have one set of valves here at the tips. Here's another visual right there. At the tips, you got the valve. Now the Z06 exhaust system, it's amazing. It looks amazing. It sounds amazing. It's 20 pounds lighter than the LT2 exhaust system. However, it does come with an extra feature. The Z06 comes with GM's very first ever continually variable valves, which allows for custom tuning in 2-degree increments depending on which driver mode you're in. So I don't know if it's because those exhaust valves are continuously moving all the time that we're getting that sound now. On the C8, I didn't have my stock exhaust system for very long on the car, but for 1,400 miles and a car that costs over $100,000, I think that's a little soon to be squeaking. And unfortunately, it's not just my car that's having this issue. I do have a friend that's in another part of the country that's also having this issue. He also mentioned that his sounded like mine, where it only squeaks once and then got progressively worse to now where it squeaks twice. So I just wanted to make a quick video, get this information out there. Hopefully someone from GM can get a hold of this and they can start working on a solution. I don't know what they're really gonna do because valves are actually welded into the exhaust system, so they'd probably have to replace the entire exhaust system. There's actually the valve there and there. But like I said, I think they are welded in place. They can't unbolt them, so we might be getting brand new exhaust systems. I don't know. Drop a comment below if any of you guys are also having this issue. And just for research purposes, before I let you guys go, let's see if this thing will squeak when it's hot. It does.